What if everything you've been told about making money on YouTube is only half the truth? What if there's a hidden system, one that pays creators even before they get 1,000 subscribers? Welcome to Real Money Hidden Truth, the channel where we pull back the curtain on what the world doesn't tell you about wealth, purpose, and freedom. Before we begin, pause this video right now, hit subscribe, and tap the bell, because in this video you'll discover 17 real ways to make money on YouTube, even if you're starting from zero. Let's get into it. 1. The YouTube Partner Program AdSense. Everyone knows about it, but few understand how powerful it truly is. When you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, YouTube pays you for every ad shown on your videos. But here's the secret. The real money isn't in one viral video. It's in building a library of evergreen content. Videos that people search for again and again. Tutorials, guides, stories, deep truths. Each view adds to your digital real estate. Don't rush it. Think long-term. Every upload is a seed, and consistency is the water that grows it. Stay steady, your tree will soon bear fruit. 2. YouTube Shorts monetization. Shorts are exploding. 60 seconds of attention can build you an empire. YouTube now shares that revenue from shorts, and creators with even 5,000 views can start earning. But the key is storytelling. Hook in the first 2 seconds. Show a clear idea, a quick transformation, or a jaw-dropping fact. Then end with a powerful emotion or curiosity line that makes viewers want more. Consistency builds visibility, visibility builds income. Don't underestimate the power of one short video that goes global overnight. 3. Affiliate marketing. You don't need YouTube monetization for this. Just share what you already love. If you use a product, a book, a microphone, or an online tool, recommend it through an affiliate link in your description. When viewers buy through your link, you earn a commission. Be honest, be real. The moment people sense truth in your tone, they trust your links. Affiliate marketing is how small channels earn big before ads ever kick in. Quick reminder, if you're learning something new already, pause and hit subscribe right now, because we're only getting started, and what's coming next will open your eyes. 4. Selling digital products. Create once, earn forever. Think ebooks, templates, music, courses, or even simple PDFs. Your YouTube videos become your best sales team. Share knowledge freely on video, then invite viewers to your deeper product. Use Seller, Payhip, or Gumroad to host it. No tech stress. People don't buy information, they buy transformation. Show them how your product improves their life, and your sales will follow naturally. 5. Sponsorships and brand deals. Brands pay for attention. You already have it. Even a small audience with high trust can attract sponsors. Start by building a niche, one clear topic. Show up with authenticity, and share results from products you use. Small local brands love partnering with creators who care. Negotiate fair deals. Always protect your audience's trust. That's your biggest asset, not numbers, but credibility. 6. Channel memberships. This is where community becomes family. When your audience starts to love what you do, give them a way to support you monthly. Offer perks, behind-the-scenes content, badges, early videos, or private chats. Even 100 loyal members paying a few dollars each month can replace a full-time salary. People want to feel part of something bigger. Give them belonging, and they'll give you loyalty. 7. Super chats and live streams. When you go live, fans can pay to have their messages highlighted. It's called Super Chat. It's a fun, real-time way to turn engagement into income. Don't worry about big numbers, focus on connection. Greet your viewers by name. Laugh with them. Thank them for showing up. Authentic energy always brings generosity. 8. YouTube Premium Revenue. Even when premium members skip ads, you still earn. YouTube divides part of their subscription fee among creators based on watch time. That means long, valuable videos like tutorials, motivation, or truth talk build passive income even while you sleep. So focus not only on quantity, but quality that keeps viewers watching. Quick reminder, if this content is sparking new ideas, take 1 second, hit subscribe and comment Hidden Truth, because the next segment holds deeper income secrets most YouTubers never realize. 9. Merchandise and print on demand. Turn your words into a brand. Upload your quote, slogan, or logo to print-on-demand stores like Teespring or Spreadshop. They handle printing and shipping. You earn profit on each sale. Your fans will wear your message proudly. It's not just merch, it's mobile marketing for your purpose. And every shirt sold reminds someone that your words have power. 10. Crowdfunding and Patreon. Some people don't just watch your videos, they believe in your mission. Create a Patreon, Ko-fi, or Buy Me a Coffee page for monthly supporters. Offer them special perks, name shoutouts, private behind-the-scenes clips, or personal thank you messages. Supporters love being part of your journey. And that consistent income funds better gear, better content, and bigger dreams. 11. Coaching and consulting. Your YouTube channel proves your expertise. Once people see you solve problems, they'll pay for personalized help. Offer one-on-one calls, small group coaching, or workshops. You can charge hundreds or even thousands of dollars, all from the trust your videos built. Never think you're too small to teach. Your story, your experience, your scars, they're someone else's survival guide. Mid-segment call. If you believe this message is powerful, pause now, subscribe, because the final 6 ways are what turn YouTube from a side hustle into a real business. 12. Creating and selling online courses. You already teach through your videos. Why not take it further? Build a complete course on a topic you know well: camera basics, social media growth, or personal finance. Platforms like Teachable or Thinkific make it easy. Your YouTube videos give the what, your paid course gives the how. Each video becomes a doorway leading students to your course. That's recurring income and real impact at the same time. 13. Review and demo videos. You can make money showing others what works. Review products or demonstrate tools you use honestly and thoroughly. When people trust your judgment, your links and sponsorships convert naturally. The more genuine you are, the more views you'll earn, because truth stands out in a world full of hype. 14. Brand ambassador partnerships. Instead of one-time sponsorships, go for long-term deals. Brands love creators who truly use their products. As an ambassador, you can receive monthly payments, free items, and early access to launches. It's stable income built on relationship and integrity. Remember, don't chase brands. Build your voice so brands chase you. 15. Licensing your videos and footage. Your video is more valuable than you think. Clips of landscapes, city life, events, or emotional moments can be licensed by news outlets or creative agencies. Upload to sites like Storyblocks, Pexels Premium, or ArtGrid. Every download brings royalties, passive income from work you already created. One great shot can pay you for years. 16. Repurposing your content. You don't need to reinvent every idea. Turn your YouTube content into short reels, TikToks, blog posts, or even podcasts. Each platform can earn money separately through their creator programs. This multiplies your income streams without multiplying your effort. Work once, earn many times. That's smart creator economics. 17. Building faceless channels or selling your channel. You can even create channels that run without showing your face. Use voiceovers, AI voices, or hired editors. These channels can be themed motivation, finance, documentaries, or quotes. Once they grow, they can be sold for thousands of dollars, just like digital real estate. Or you can run multiple channels as automated systems, each bringing income from ads, affiliates, and products. That's how creators quietly build real wealth online. The final truth: 17 ways to earn real money on YouTube, but none of them work without one thing: consistency with conviction. YouTube doesn't reward perfection, it rewards persistence. Don't compare your first step to someone else's 10th year. Every video is a brick in your digital house. Keep building. You don't need the best camera, you need a clear message. You don't need millions of subscribers. You need the right 1,000 who believe in you. So start today. Upload that first video, even if it's not perfect. Talk about what you know, what you've learned, what you believe. The world rewards those who create, not those who wait. And remember, success doesn't come to those who seek shortcuts, it comes to those who seek truth. If this video gave you value, pause now, tap subscribe, leave a comment saying I'm ready, and share this video with someone who dreams of starting their own channel. Because the hidden truth is this: the moment you decide to believe in your voice, you've already started building your wealth. This is Real Money Hidden Truth, where purpose meets profit, and truth unlocks freedom. See you in the next one.